A 35-year-old man from China. His name is Mr. Tiger. This man has been viral online for the past few days, because he has created something that no one dares to do. Today we will see his madness. Once he used to run a small construction business, but suddenly he left everything and returned to his village home. And there he made a strange decision. Today he will cut a mountain and build a house for himself inside it. It starts with some very simple tools: a jackhammer and a diamond gold drill. With these two, he slowly starts cutting hard rock and making space inside. Days and nights pass by one. After about 6 weeks, that is, on the 55th day, it is seen that he has already started installing a door. And he is also making a small window. He uses a round saw, drill, plug and hammer to cut the huge stone block. And he uses a simple spade to remove all the pieces of stone that come out. Then comes an important step: removing the large stone column in the middle. This task is not easy, but he gradually cuts it. The interesting thing is that the round pieces of stone that come out are used as wheels again. And he cuts the bottom part of that column to make it like a table. When there is a little space inside, he starts making the layout of the house. He plans everything, where everything will be, on which side. After the 258th day, the place looks completely different. He marks the entire place with spray paint on the stone. Then he uses a laser level to make the floor perfectly level so that his next tasks are easier. Once the floor is fixed, the work of laying the tiles begins. After cleaning everything, he grouts it so that the finishing is better. He also uses that laser level to determine the location of the electric lines, where the wires will go, how to do it. Everything is set up perfectly. Then he upgrades the window by making it bigger. He makes beautiful designs with wooden panels that are used as later decorations. He makes small tables, storage and railings using old cards. He uses heavy grid pads to polish the stone surface so that everything gets a finished look. He also makes a decorative roof on top of the window. He uses molds to create designs. After drying, he removes the molds. Then he rubs and polishes it. He puts wooden frames and mosquito nets on the window so that no insects can enter from outside. He fixes the entire window firmly with glue and a nail gun. After cutting the stone, he rubs and polishes the entire area. He uses water while drilling so that the stone can be easily broken through. And the stone pieces become easier to remove. Operating a jackhammer is not an easy task. It requires a lot of strength and control. But this house is not just for living. He wants to make it more beautiful. So he cut a design like a tree root on the wall by cutting stones. Then the plumbing work began. Slowly everything started to set. Now only a wall and a door were left. He made cement, started laying bricks. One by one, the wall slowly stood up. He carefully placed each brick so that the entire wall was perfect. When the wall was finished, he installed the door frame. Then he installed the door. Now the main structure of the house was almost complete. He cleaned the entire place thoroughly. And finally, an apartment inside a mountain was created, where one could live and spend one's life. Then he upgraded the entrance staircase even bigger. He made big steps with bricks and cement. He made a small fish pond in the garden, which made the whole place more peaceful and beautiful. Then he made a shelf that held the round shape like a tree. He used a level to make sure that everything was perfectly straight. He made a small hole in the corner of the table so that the wires could be neatly placed. After 18 months, the place